What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It is currently kind of cold in New Zealand and it's the middle of spring, which is a little odd, whatever. It's also raining, which is just typical old New Zealand. Always raining. So today I want to try and do some cinematic shit, but the car's really dirty so we need to wash that, and I also need to go get it a wash so that it is legal, which it currently still is for the next couple of days until that runs out, and then it's not. But I don't actually know if it's gonna pass because the tint is potentially too dark and it could be too loud. I don't know. So before we do anything, we need to clean off all this dirt. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this wheel is covered in dirt. You might be able to see it, I don't know. This whole thing's just covered in filth. Look at that. Good old bird poo on it. So I'm going to be using this product called Play Dead. It's a wash and wax, as you can see. Used it a couple of times. It's pretty good. I kind of like it. I also got their wheel cleaner, which is also pretty good. Other cool thing about this is it's a New Zealand product, so it's kind of cool to support some fellow New Zealanders. These like pine needles, so they're all over the car because they moved work, and now I park under a pine tree. Kind of dumb, but whatever. Wheels left to do. They are fucking filthy. Alright, so when it stops raining, I'm gonna go put a silencer on the Tommy. I don't actually know how much that's gonna do, but I don't really feel like having the car fail a little test because it's too loud. I think it's going to fail because of the tint, but I hope not. Plastic 90 is pretty strict, but if it does fail, we're just going to pull it off because it looks like it's going to be too dark. I don't know. Alright, silencer is in. As always, we need a cold start. Actually a hell of a lot quieter with the silencer in. It's kind of depressing to not hear the car roar. But oh well. I just got back from the shop inspection place thingy, I don't know. Car actually did fail at its little inspection due to tint, which I kind of knew about already and already said. The silencer on the exhaust wasn't like bolted on properly, so it couldn't comply to the noise regulations and all that shit. And the VIN number is damaged because they can't read one number. One fucking number, which is the 3. The fuck? I just realized that I didn't actually talk about the wheels at all, so I'm going to show you what they are. So they're the KPS black rotiform wheels. We've got 19 by 10 in the rear and 19 by 8.5 in the front, with a 275/40 and a 245/45 in the front. I need some spaces for a bit of fitment. They're not sitting quite flush yet with the wheel. This one's about 25 mils out, that's about 20 mils out. They look good though. So that's the specs and that's the wheels. Cost me a bit, but they look good. So the next couple of days I'm gonna have to go and fix up the tint and get a WOF, and then I'll put some spacers and stuff like that, fix up the wheel fitment. Might have to go somewhere fairly dodgy for the WOF because the VIN plates sound like they're kind of expensive to go and get replaced. And it's really dumb because it's like legitimately a slight dent on one of the numbers that makes it a little bit harder to read the one individual number. That's really fucking annoying. Guys, if you did enjoy this vlog, please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. Peace.